Hey guys, I wanted to get on here and share this really awesome motion sickness bracelet with you. So this motion sickness bracelet is awesome. I get really car sick, seasick, all the things. So this is super awesome just for that. It's a nice bracelet, so I love it. It just looks like you have a watch on. You wear it on the inside of your wrist here. It has 8 different intensity levels, so you are able to choose the intensity to your liking. If you feel like the lowest is not working, you just up that intensity until you feel like it is satisfying that motion sickness. So really awesome bracelet. It's really user friendly. You just push this button here. It'll turn on and you can see all of your different settings here. You'll just push this button here and push the down button and it'll flash, and that is where you are able to adjust the different settings. You can see that I'm doing this one now. You just push the down button and those will change. So really awesome. You are able to change the time on this also, so you just hold this down and you are able to change the time. It has your timer up here for 30 minutes and it also shows your battery power. Really awesome, comfortable bracelet. I would definitely recommend. This is nice. It comes with a nice little charger here. You just plug that into a USB port. It does come with other watch bands, so if this one is too big for you, it has a smaller option. And it also comes with this nice different band that is a magnetic band, so that's really fun. And this will just adjust to your wrist by that magnet, and these will go into the watch. So really awesome. It comes with your manual and it comes with your nice box. I would definitely recommend this to anyone who has motion sickness. It's really awesome. I wear it in the car all the time.